So let's start this beautiful video. In this video, I will show my Python code for my cryptocurrency Flame Kaiser, which written by me. So I use Python for that. So basically, there is my that is my code. That's my Python code. You can see my crypto name is Flame Kaiser. I have a limited supply of my tokens, 2 million, and that is my wallet address, MetaMask. And basically, I made interface login. I made a login interface so which can I access my wallet. So let's see. I use HTML and I use Python, and this code is 100% working. So now move on and check this code. First, we have check it and run it this code, and we will get an IP through which we can log in our wallet. So first we copy and then we go. First we have to log out our wallet and then cut that and paste this IP and try to log in. So wait and let's see it's working or not. So it's loading and taking time. So make patience. Okay, so that is my interface. So you can see in this screen. So now first I have to log in. That's my login and that's my password. Okay, so now log in this and you can see the interface of my wallet. So it's taking some time. Which what's happened wrong with my code? Why it's not working? That's work. That's work. So okay. So basically, from here I paste my MetaMask wallet and check it is working or not. Paste my wallet address, copy and then paste here, and then enter some amount 10 tokens. Yeah, one token and check. I send this token to my Meta wallet. So it's a prototype. So now checking that is working or not. So it's taking two time. Okay, so send one flame geyser to the this token, this address. So you can see here, and now we have check VS code. So you can see that there are login and there is a sent of one token to the another wallet. So our code is 100% working. So basically, uh, this is a prototype, not a fully functioning code, because I do not have a liquidity to list this token in any exchange. So first I need liquidity to launch this token. So let's see what that is my txt. I made need liquidity for launch my token on DEX. This is only a prototype. Soon I will launch a crypto which have a real world use like Ethereum, Bitcoin and other altcoin. Thank you. So basically through which I want to understand you. You can make a cryptocurrency easily, but the main task is that you have to list this token, and you have to know how you can use this token in the real world. Like do some transaction, do big transactions like bitcoins, do big transaction in a second. So uh, so that's why as I know that. So there's only a prototype, and this video is main motive to show you how you can use and how you can make your own cryptocurrency. You have to write a code using the Flask, import Flask and render templates, string request, redirect URL for session, time, JSON file, and then you have to write your code and define the genesis block, define get last block, address, and you have to define that your coin is crypto is mintable or not. You can mint it or not. So let's see at thank you at the last. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this video is helpful for you. Other than